Hey friends, if you wish to use Google Docs on your desktop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for docs.google.com and hit enter. Okay, and then sign in to your account. Let's say this is my account, so I will sign into it. Okay, we'll skip this part. Now I wish to use it on the desktop as a different application. So I will open it in Microsoft Edge, not any other browser, in Microsoft Edge. Then click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select more tools, select apps, and then select install this as an app. Okay, it will be installed as an app, and now you can simply search for Docs and then you can open it as an application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.